Hello and welcome back to Dreamforge World. My name is Emile de Tooy, and today I want to show you how I used Claude's new design system to build a prototype brand kit for a project that I'm working on for veterinarians. So what we're looking at here is a brand forged for modern veterinary practices. Believe it or not, this entire kit for marketing was built in 5 minutes. I didn't even customize it or tweak it or touch it. Okay, so let me walk you through this. Essentially, I just asked the design system to create a brand kit for our application for veterinarians. And so it came up with this web page. You can export it as a HTML, as a PDF, or as a zip file. I then took it further and gave it to Claude Code in VS Code Studio and told it to implement the newsletter. But before I show you that, let me just scroll this down. So here we have our logos, the palette, the typography, the buttons and motifs, everything you need in a modern brand kit. Here's a quick look at how the cold email outreach examples look like. If you were to send a direct mail postcard, this is the brand kit applied to such a postcard. And in particular, I wanted to build in a newsletter for the veterinary app that I'm working on. This is the real app. It's about 95% complete. And soon I will be inviting veterinarians to try it out and give me some feedback so we can make it just the way they want it. So that might be our newsletter to keep people updated on the progress. And it will have an actual free trial. This is what our sales sheet might look like. This is just a prototype for print. And here we are inside Visual Studio Code, and we're working on an actual Dreamforce Vet application after I told it to use our brand kit to create a newsletter integration. I copied the brand kit over here, and now it's almost ready to activate and run. So of course it had to make a little bit of database changes. And so now we're just telling it to apply the database schema changes to the actual database, and it's asking us to stop the dev serve. So while it's working, let me show you what the actual application looks like so far. So I'm going to start the localhost dev server with npm run dev. And then I'm just going to use control left click, try out. Okay, so it shows our landing page where the staff can sign in. We have light mode, dark mode. Let's try the light mode. There's a pet owner portal. The staff will sign in here. Gives a quick overview of what's inside. And here is our devlog newsletter now built in automatically for us into the app. This is going to be actually live, and when you want to find out more about how to build such an app, or if you're a veterinarian who wants to give us some of your feedback to make it work just right for you, please let us know. We are also working almost 90% complete on a multi-clinic version of this. This one is ready for action. Please sign up for a free trial here. We'd love to hear your feedback. Just visit vets.dreamforgeworld.com. The one I showed on the previous screen was for a single vet clinic who wants to not share a multi-tenant platform and wants to have full control of the source code and full customization of the branding. So either way, whichever one works for you, let me know and I'll help you customize it. And as a PDF, it creates this document. Complete with logos, recommendations, the sizes. There's all the information that your coding agent or your marketing agency will need for branding. If you are a marketing agency, of course, this is a quick start to help your clients. So your display, your headline, your title, all covered in here. Some tips on what you should do and shouldn't do. Another look at those email templates. Remember, all of this is completely customizable, and Anthropic is even creating a deal with Canva so that you can bring your design over to Canva and continue editing and iterating on them there. And if you don't have the time or interest to build these applications, I have 30 years experience, would be happy to show you, train you, build it for you, customize something you have, integrate with something you have. You can explore more in our software tab. You can look at some of our pre-built solutions and demos. Or if you want to learn how to build these applications yourself, if you're slightly technically oriented, please join our academy